Leo the Lion's Laughing Roar. Narrated by Kiddiestorysprout. In the heart of the African savannah lived a young lion named Leo. Leo had a unique quirk. Instead of the fierce roars expected of lions, he had a laugh that echoed like a roaring river. Leo's laughter was so infectious that the animals in the jungle loved to be around him. One sunny day, Leo's friend, Gilly, the giggling giraffe, approached him with a request. She wanted Leo's laughter to chase away a grumpy old elephant named Grizzle, who lived nearby and was notorious for his bad temper. Leo agreed, thinking that his laughter would surely do the trick. He approached Grizzle, and with a hearty laugh, Leo attempted to cheer him up. However, the unexpected happened. Grizzle couldn't stop laughing. Grizzle's grumpiness melted away as Leo's laughter infected him. He rolled on the ground, chuckling like a baby elephant. Soon, the entire jungle was filled with laughter, and the animals joined in, creating a jubilant cacophony. As Leo and his friend Gilly laughed with Grizzle, they realized that laughter was the key to connecting with others, even those who seemed grumpy. Grizzle became a cherished member of the jungle, and his laughter filled the air every day. From that day on, the jungle celebrated Leo as the Lion of Laughter, and they learned that laughter had the magical power to change hearts and bring joy to everyone, even the grumpiest of souls. The Lion's Laughing Roar is a heartwarming story that teaches children the power of laughter, empathy, and the surprising twists that can turn grumpy moments into moments of pure joy and connection. The moral of the story is that laughter has the magical power to connect hearts and change even the grumpiest of souls, fostering empathy and unity